Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Plug the Hey or Google TV into a grounded outlet and attach the stand or wall mount so it sits stable. Insert batteries in the remote, then press home to power up the interface. This begins the pairing sequence. When the screen displays inputs, choose the HDMI port if you have a set-top box or game console connected. Once done, the TV will launch the initial setup wizard. Stay with it, because these first steps register the device and enable network access. Once the wizard appears, choose your Wi-Fi network and enter the password carefully. Use 5 GHz if your router and TV support it for smoother streaming. Next, sign in with your Google account. This syncs apps, preferences, and YouTube watch lists. Make sure to accept system updates and required permissions, because firmware and app updates often fix bugs and add features. If prompted, link phones or use the Google Home app for faster entry. These steps enable Google TV features and personalized recommendations. You're nearly done. Install essential apps from the Play Store, organize the home rows to surface what you want, and adjust picture mode and audio settings for room lighting and speakers. Enable HDMI CEC or eARC when using a soundbar so volume and power sync. Make sure automatic updates are on to stay current. If something goes wrong, first reboot the TV and router, then try a wired Ethernet connection to rule out Wi-Fi. If problems persist, factory reset and retry the setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.